Welcome to HH Beauty Garden, your go-to place for all things beautiful and green. As a YouTuber with 10 years of experience nurturing plants and sharing my passion, I'm thrilled to bring you a truly magical tip today. Have you ever wished you could easily propagate roses and have them bloom year-round? Well, get ready, because with just 1 cup, your rose cuttings will root instantly and flourish. In this video, we're diving into a gentle, sustainable, and incredibly effective method for propagating roses using simple, natural ingredients you likely already have at home. This isn't just about growing roses, it's about connecting with nature and cultivating beauty in the most organic way possible. Let's get started on this exciting journey. Step 1. Selecting and preparing your cuttings. First things first, we need to choose the right branches. Look for semi-woody branches. These are the ones that are no longer super soft and young, but not yet old and tough. The ideal time to take cuttings is right after the branch has finished flowering, as the plant is naturally sending nutrients to the trunk, which will benefit root growth. Carefully cut off the soft tip and any excess leaves to prevent water loss. If your branch has thorns, a light trim around the base can make it easier to handle and help our rooting solution absorb better. Make sure to cut the base at a 45-degree angle to maximize the surface area for water and nutrient absorption. Each cutting should be about 10 to 15 centimeters long, with at least one clear leaf node. This is where all the exciting new growth will emerge. Step 2. Crafting your natural root stimulant solution. Now for the secret sauce. We're going to create a powerful, natural rooting stimulant packed with enzymes, vitamins, and growth hormones. Egg yolk power. Separate the yolk of one egg into a small bowl. Egg yolk is fantastic because it's rich in protein, which nourishes cuttings and stimulates cell division. Lemon boost. Squeeze half a lemon into the egg yolk and stir it well. Lemon juice helps to slightly lower the pH, offers antibacterial properties, and provides a natural antioxidant boost with vitamin C. This combination of lemon juice and egg yolk is a powerhouse for stimulating rooting and providing essential nutrients. Soak your rose stems in this mixture for about 10 minutes, allowing all those good nutrients to penetrate the stem's surface. Step 3. Mixing your natural growth support solution. Next, we'll prepare a comprehensive growth support solution. Coffee kick. Add 2 teaspoons of coffee to a cup. Coffee is rich in protein and slightly acidic, which promotes beneficial bacterial activity and further stimulates rooting. Garlic gourd. Peel and chop 3 cloves of garlic and add them to the cup. Garlic is a natural antibacterial and antifungal agent, crucial for protecting your cuttings from rot. more lemon. Squeeze the remaining half lemon into this mixture. Add about 300 milliliters of water, stir well, and let the mixture rest for 5 minutes to ensure all the nutrients blend and maximize their effectiveness. Aloe vera magic. Take a small piece of aloe vera leaf, peel it, and cut the gel into small pieces. Add these to your coffee cup. Aloe vera is a true wonder, containing natural growth hormones and anti-stress agents that encourage healthy root development. This blend of coffee, lemon, garlic, and aloe vera creates a natural concoction with antibacterial, antifungal, rooting, and immune-boosting properties. Step 4. Preparing the growing environment. A clean and airy growing environment is paramount for successful root development. Sandy foundation. Use clean river sand for good drainage, which is key to preventing waterlogging. Coffee grounds for nutrients. Add 2 teaspoons of coffee grounds to the sand. This adds extra nutrients and supports beneficial microorganisms. Moisten with our solution. Pour the sand mixture into a separate plastic cup. After our growth support mix has steeped for 5 minutes, strain out the liquid, leaving only the water. Use this solution to lightly moisten the sand. Remember, not too wet. Step 5. Planting your cuttings. Now for the moment of truth. Gently insert your treated cuttings into the center of the sand cup. Make sure to expose the outer leaf nodes. This allows roots or shoots to grow easily from these points. Cover the cup to create a mini greenhouse effect. This is vital for retaining moisture and limiting water loss, giving your roots the best chance to grow. Place your cup in a cool, airy spot, away from direct sunlight. Keep the growing medium slightly moist, but always avoid waterlogging. Check regularly and, most importantly, be patient. The reward: strong roots and new growth. After about 3 to 4 weeks of proper care, you'll start to see exciting signs. Fresh green shoots will gradually sprout from the exposed leaf nodes, signaling that your cutting is reviving and transforming into a brand new rose plant. Thin, white roots will begin to grow from the base of the cutting, clinging to the substrate to absorb moisture and nutrients. This is your confirmation that the method has been a success. Once you see strong roots and new leaves, it's time to move your precious new plant to a larger pot to give it ample room to thrive. I personally love using treated coconut fiber as a growing medium for this stage because it retains moisture beautifully, is breathable, and encourages excellent root growth while minimizing the risk of root rot. And there you have it. We've completed the journey of propagating roses using natural, gentle, and incredibly effective methods. Every sprout, every tiny root that grows, is a testament to patience, love, and a deep connection with nature. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your gardening friends, and subscribe to HH Beauty Garden so you don't miss our next tutorials. I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below letting me know what country you're watching from. See you in the next videos, where every green sprout brings a little joy to everyday life. Happy gardening!